The Springboks take on Wales this weekend in Cardiff, and it's going to be cloudy, cold and rainy throughout the day and most of the game. So boys, don't kick the ball too much. It is going to be very slippery. The National Weather Service even issued a yellow level 2 warning for the possibility of localized flooding on Saturday. Now let's get back to your weekend forecast across South Africa, which is basically the complete opposite compared to this. This weekend, we've got a weakish cold front sliding south of the country, but by next week, a stronger front will make sure November ends a little bit more cooler with rain over parts of South Africa. Now, as I've mentioned, we've got that cold front sliding south of the country this Saturday, bringing some foggy patches the morning, and then also behind the front, an onshore flow is going to bring in a few light showers for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, with thunderstorms expected over the northeastern regions and lots of sunshine remaining dry on Saturday over the western as well as the northern parts of South Africa. Thunderstorms becoming scattered later in parts of Limpopo as well as Mpumalanga, and as mentioned, that onshore flow is expected to bring in a few light showers on and off over parts of the Eastern Cape and most of KwaZulu-Natal. And then on Sunday morning, foggy patches expected along the west coast, parts of the western, Eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. We'll be also expecting mostly cloudy skies and a few light showers. Thunderstorms at first moving over parts of the Lowvelds and Mpumalanga, and then a sunny Sunday for central and western South Africa with isolated thunderstorms expected over the northeastern regions. A 30% chance of thunderstorms on Sunday for northwest Gauteng as well as parts of the Bushveld. Light showers and thunderstorms at first moving over parts of the Lowvelds and clearing, with also a few light showers on and off on Sunday expected to fall in parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And then by next week, Monday, we've got that stronger cold front making its way to South Africa. But ahead of that front, we are expecting thunderstorms to bubble up from the afternoon and move over the central as well as the eastern regions of South Africa due to an upper level trough bringing down enough moisture. A fresh southerly wind blowing this weekend along the coast of the western northern Cape and our neighbouring country. A high fire danger in place for the western interior, and a fresh onshore southwesterly wind expected to bring in light showers later for parts of KwaZulu-Natal. And then on Sunday, still that fresh southerly wind expected to blow fresh over the coastal regions. A high fire danger in place due to windy conditions in parts of the Karoo, and winds now turning easterly to northeasterly for KwaZulu-Natal as well as the Eastern Cape. A sizzling hot Saturday for the Northern Cape with 37 degrees in Upington. Temperatures in the mid-20s for the Western and Eastern Cape coastal regions, 23 in Cape Town, Gqeberha as well as East London, upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal, around 30 degrees for the northeastern part. Yet again, it is going to be hot on Sunday in the shade of dark red over large parts of the Cape provinces. Also dry and windy, so high fire danger in place, soaring to 41 degrees in Upington. Much warmer in Cape Town with 27 and also around 30 for Gauteng. And then by next week, Monday, much cooler start to the work week for Cape Town and hot ahead of that strong cold front in KwaZulu-Natal as well as here in the shade of dark red over the western interior and soaring to a high of 33 degrees in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely weekend.